Welcome to the vlog, my lovelies. I am wearing my idol soap. Yeah, remember so bad yesterday, girl. I put it on like 3-4 times yesterday. And that's the thing is when I do use my soaps, them regular. My scrubs are regular. And morning. Oh, you do. Make sure you drink tea before you leave. You don't want to catch up gastricolitis. You have it. You have gastricolitis. You catch gastricolitis. You have to drink a tea, baby. You see, when you drink a tea, not coffee, tea, bust gastricolitis every time. Nothing else in the world don't bust gastricolitis like tea. Even coffee. It has to be tea. You have to drink a tea. Alright guys, so me here now, and I have been doing makeup. I've been getting some messages where I say, oh, can I say I do makeup again and this and that and that. I'm immediately in my feelings. I might say, you know what, I'm going to make this available for this month, for next month, sorry, for the month of July. So for the month of July, I'm going to be doing a makeup special for the entire month of July, as long as for basic makeup. For basic makeup, it's $5,000. Basic makeup, contouring, everything. But once you're going to like colored brows and all them something there stuff that I would usually do, then you know it goes up. But basic makeup is something, think graduation makeup, that would be like basic makeup, isn't me? So I'll be offering that special for the entire month of July. So you can go ahead and email me Rochester at astoldbylyric.com, and that way you can book me. Also for the month of July, I'm going to be making available again my one-on-one makeup classes. That has a different email address. That is makeupclass@astoldbylyric.com. The reason why I'm segmenting them is because in the past I recognized that there wasn't much division and emails were getting lost, and I was uncomfortable issuing up my WhatsApp number, my personal number, and I was thinking of getting a second number for easy way, of communication. But the truth is, a lot of brands, they're not making themselves that available to you. So what I have available are my email platforms from my own website, and having them being this segmented, there'll be a bit more organization. So yeah, so to book me for classes, for one-on-one classes, you can email makeupclass@astoldbylyric.com. I'll have that linked below for you guys, as well as if you want me to do your makeup, be a makeup artist, come to you. I do charge for travel. If you're in Portmore, you can come to me, that's fine, where the travel will not, you wouldn't be charged for travel. What else do I have to let you guys in on? Alright, that's basically it. The two email addresses, the one-on-one class. Yeah, that's it. That is it. That's everything I have to tell you guys. Whew, okay, so in this video now, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my turban, because I say that the ear, I'm gonna take out the ear, but I never carry it with me. If I go take out the ear, so I just take it. Well, I went to Kate and to take it out, because every time I try to take out my hair, I lose like clumps and clumps of my hair. So I went to Kate to take it out. So that's why you see me change off later on. I'm going to put on my blue shades by girl shirt. But I'm going to take out the ear and then I come home comb it also. But yeah, so this, you see how many my makeup now? I am just contouring the crap out of my hair, out of my face. And I recognize I love the heavily contoured look, because you can get away with so much, because the heavily contoured look is so defined. Your makeup just looks very like magazine. It just looks, you look like you, but so much better. And I'm sorry if that sounds away, but that's just the truth. So in order to do the headband, I'm going to we can just go and play music right here. So look, everything's self-explanatory right there. So you just go one piece of wire or one piece of what that name, piece of string, and tie it round. And then and the reason why I use this kind of turban thingy is because if I had gotten a scarf, I could use that scarf, it would have been a different wrap. But I like the longer one here for when I have on the braids and for do a turban, because it flows better when I do it. I guess my top about the black cloth I use. So I'm just going to tie it round and then push in the ear them. You see that this, and doing it from at the back, it's flatter, so that's why I start from the back. and this I go pull out and I go just start over. So I just go and play some music, and then we're going to continue with the makeup tutorial. Very, very self-explanatory. But the main thing I did with my eye makeup, I made mistakes with the eye makeup that you're going to see, the black with the wings. So in order to fix those mistakes, I had to be a little bit more extra, and then I have to neat and fan it now with the concealer, which you guys are going to see what I used, that I used. And that is how like I correct. I'm like, oh no, not my makeup, not my makeup, not my makeup, not my makeup. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you know, shit happens, stuff happens. So I like documenting these things. Whew, you guys, this is it. This is it for the 29th. Tomorrow's video is gonna be so cool, and I am vlogging for the entire month this month, you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, because when you do that, it helps my video, you know, in the grand scheme of things. Like I see my video on, like if I'm watching a regular YouTube video, like my video comes up on the side, and that just feels so cool. So I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys for reaching out to me and for commenting and for subscribe. Like, brother, just thank you for coming back here. And I have the vlogs coming. I'll hide the makeup tutorials. I'll hide the makeup tutorials, which is why I'm making myself available for this month, because I don't think I'll be doing much makeup tutorials for this month, but I love doing it, you know. Oof, I love doing it. And I have a beautiful makeup event planning for you guys. It's a 1-day event. It may be a 2-day event, but for now it's going to be 1 day, and it's going to be in Portmore, because I've been in Kingston, I've been in Ochi, so this one is going to be in Portmore. So details to follow.
In my mind, there's only one way this goes. It's only one option. I gotta win. Yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with go. Ooh, you can tell we ain't the same. They came just for trophies, I got impact on my brain. You know this goes so much deeper, but I'm not the one to blame. I'm the type to keep on pushing, all my losses turn to gains. Hold up, legacy over accolades, no price on my mindset. Came in as a prospect, I'ma lead with the whole contest. Seeing this in my head, got me feeling like a prophet. I outwork all my peers, that's trust in my process. Hold up. Hey, welcome my winners, I'm being a host. I'm hard and hustle from head to my toes. When it comes to work, watch them turning to ghosts. Yeah, they like to come up and run from the struggle. We hit the floor and they blow with the trumpet. I'm packing the punch like it's part of my luggage. You don't want no problems, don't tell me what I can't do. Better yet, just go ahead, I hit every time I aim to. I'm always on new levels, it's my time, I ain't through. It's hard work and late nights to be that one. Ooh. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with go. Ay, I'm my only competition. Seeing my reflection, looking through my opposition. Crucify my weakness, force myself into submission. Put my back against the wall, and we gon' see who gets the flinching. And I don't believe in limits. What else I gotta tell you? It's uncommon repetition. And I know it ain't fair. Saw the end before beginning. Had this game already finished. For the clock hit single digits, yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with go.
I'm the baddest man alive. Count and hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little
Tennessee. I'm swinging fast, you gon' be thinking it's 10 of me. Don't want me as your enemy, I'll bury your name. Was buddy in these streets, now you forgot about the game. You got egg on your face like you ate a souffle. Now I'ma knock your top off like it's Trump's toupee. Now slow down, your rhymes are ass chomp. I know you gassed up, but I bet your finger wouldn't touch the trigger on a gas pump. Mask up, came down, mic is sick, throw your hood. I fucking carry game like I'm Underwood, it's understood. Laid back with your girl, we on that days of play. One hitter, now you're on fire like I'm Johnny Blaze. Yeah, I'm Ghost Rider with the pen and stare. I'm one step ahead, I'm dancing on them like I'm Fred Astaire. Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm a bad man.
I got that mindset, throwing the concert just to see all of your faces. Dropping your jaws and throwing your arms and falling convulsing and shaking. Fuck if you die, the king is around. Here with the purpose to surface these rappers that's rapping this whack shit. I murder a cat on the track and to hand him his purse. Return to the rapper, hit a rap shit up on these plastic ass cats. Don't even write raps, just ass. Spit it on a track, hold up another platinum plaque, wearing a mask, fuck that. You wanna act and act, get on the screen, do your thing, let it fail, you die off. I am the king, fuck everybody else, I'm on that be that. Return to the writer, scribble out the shit to the page catch fire. Call me a liar, sparking in the dark and let it burn in. You can call me inspired, heart of a liar, and in the sense that my heart will jump out of my chest, eat you alive, beat you to death, tear it all apart, feast on the flesh, and do it all without even trying. This is a statement, I have been patient, this is a track for the ages. Solo and Dre went in and created something that's hot for the placements. God damn it, you can't ignore all the gasoline spread around the floor. And I got a match here, I'm about to let it go, watch it blow. Are you ready for more?
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna hate or believe, but please believe it makes no difference to me. Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh man, taking the game ever higher. And we're here with a little taste of that fire.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive.
Oh damn, you know it's easy to see that there ain't no one of y'all can stand next to me.
Cause I'm the baddest man alive. Gonna bring me your closer. He's throwing ducks, I serve him up like I'm Sosa. Cause I'm a bad man. Cause I'm a bad man.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah.
The game is strategic, I'm bobbing and weaving. Don't argue with demons, okay?
Okay.
Ain't nothing between us, vacation on Venus. I mean it, I'm somewhere you ain't, okay. I feel like I'm Jordan when I turn the mic on a dangerous cycle. I make you a rival, I pray for the title. We making the finals, I pray we don't spiral, I pray we don't. I wrote out the vision, been focusing winning. Don't try to guess me, you know that we driven. Nothing get past me, you know we ain't slipping. The team is on 10 men, I promise we different. Scotty and Dennis, we killing opponents. This ain't what you wanted, no way. Yeah, I know it ain't fair, we just taking it there. Hope it's coming through clear.
You can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, you can tell that I make it look easy. It's a cheat code. It's a free throw. If it's so illegal, yeah. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Double take or a second look, bruh. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. You can tell that I make it look. Ain't no wonder why I got him shook.
Tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, viral. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting turned with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour, all day. Me and my beats go sour, looking good in PJs, that's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside.
Jonathan, that's cool. Take a photo of the chair, Papa. Thank you. You like it?
Yeah, but I'm cold.
Yeah, because I'm hot. Oh, Jesus. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah.
Shoo! I love you so much, Papa.
Mom, I'm dirty?
Yes, you are very dirty. So I'm going to go home, cool off, wash off, get snacks, watch something together.
Yeah.
No, cool off, and then walk before Jonathan. Yeah. Are you going to walk?
I want some water.
You want some water?
Yeah.
Okay, my baby.
I'm so tired.
Oh, Lord. I can imagine. Oh, my God. Oh, no, your snack throw away. Oh, no, Papi. I don't know.
My teacher just beat me.
Really?
Yeah.
Your teacher beats you?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, my teacher beat me right.
You're being rude?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's okay if she stop you for being rude?
Yes.
Okay, but not beat you, because not even mommy like beating you when you're rude. I just slap you. Yeah.
But teacher is weak.
The teacher weak? Yeah, she not slap us.
No, teacher slap Tiny and Paula. She weak.
Yeah, she slap Tiny and smaller. Wait, I'll pull it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love. Wait, no juice, not yet. Gigi, I don't want the juice to open up in the car, okay?
Why?
Because I don't want to make a mess. I have to be extremely careful.
Mommy, hold it for you.
Thank you, baby. Oh, you get homework. There's a book in your bag.
Yeah.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so for next month, I am actually working on an edge mist. I've been watching like a crap ton of tutorials. I've been like doing a lot of, I hate reading. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm about no reading. But what I've been doing is experimenting, and I have this edge mist that is, you see how my hair looks now, bro, I'm now on day what, I'm on day 3. No, this is my 4th day, and baby, my edges, you can't even see the new growth. You can see where the bald spot is or was, where there's hair. No, as I'm talking to you, it's blowing my mind, and I really want to do like a little talk through session for this vlog. It's going to be short. Oh, and I have oh my goodness, I have so much stuff planned for you for next month. But yeah, so with doing POMI is not something that I can let go of, but I am selling it. As I said, once they're gone, they're completely gone. So rotted, may I go see you now. So on the 1st, I'll be in Ochi. You guys can RSVP by emailing me lyricrochester@astoldbylyric.com. You can email me to RSVP. I'll be doing deliveries in Ochi on the 1st of July. Now, I may be there from the night before. I may be staying over for the weekend, whatever the case may be. Those of you who have RSVP'd, who I've spoken with, hey girl, and I can't wait to see you guys and meet you guys. The belts are for $8,000. We'll be having the lashes on wholesale, and also be having them for $1,000 per one. What's my for telling you now? Right, so with the edge mist that I'm working on, I have other things that I want to add to it. I want to tweak it to make it like good because the growth that I have is just like 3 days. Bro, it's just like 3 days. So in the vlogs, you guys are going to see what I'm talking about. I'm not even going to mention it anywhere except hidden in this vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up Jolly now.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Yeah. Go and play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Mine need me $2. Telling you now this payback. So I take that. Ask them now what say that. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now. All these lanes gonna zone out. And all these lanes gonna tell you what I did, and they twist and they worse till I fall out.